Easter is more than just a holiday. It's a feeling, a warm embrace of renewal, serenity, and effortless beauty. But what if you could capture that tranquil charm in your home decor? This year, we're embracing the soft sophistication of beige. Easter decor, a trend that brings a natural, elegant touch to your celebrations. Imagine delicate pastel accents meeting warm neutrals, creating a cozy yet refined atmosphere that feels like a fresh breath of spring. Stay with us until the end, because we'll be sharing simple, stylish tips to elevate your space with timeless Easter elegance. If you're loving home decor inspiration, don't forget to like this video, comment with your favorite Easter decor ideas, and subscribe to Home and Harmony for more stunning interior transformations. Beige is often overlooked in seasonal decor, but its true power lies in its versatility and timeless appeal. This gentle, neutral hue acts as the perfect canvas for layering soft pastels, warm wood tones, and delicate seasonal accents. Unlike bolder colors that demand attention, beige allows other elements in the room to shine, creating a calming and effortlessly stylish backdrop. It's also incredibly adaptable. Whether your home leans toward modern minimalism, rustic charm, or classic elegance, beige seamlessly integrates into any aesthetic. By incorporating varying shades of beige, from warm sand to creamy ivory, you can craft a space that feels harmonious, inviting, and rich in depth. For an Easter-ready home, start by refreshing your space with simple swaps. Change out dark, heavy winter textiles for lighter, more breathable fabrics in soft beige or linen tones. Consider adding a fresh coat of warm white or taupe paint too. Create a serene foundation that enhances natural light. If you want to introduce subtle contrast, mix in delicate pastel accents, muted blush, soft sage, or gentle lavender, to give your space a fresh springtime glow. The goal is to create a balanced, neutral setting that still feels festive and full of life. With beige as your base, you have the perfect foundation for an effortlessly elegant Easter look. Follow these easy step-by-step guidelines to achieve a stunning yet effortless Easter interior. Step 1. Establish a neutral base start by selecting a soft, neutral backdrop for your space. Creamy whites, warm beiges, and light taupe create the perfect foundation for a timeless Easter aesthetic. Opt for linen curtains, woven rugs, and textured wallpapers to enhance the cozy atmosphere. Step 2. Elevate with Easter accents once. The base is set. Add subtle Easter-themed decorations. Think ceramic bunny figurines, speckled eggs in neutral hues, and rustic wooden baskets filled with dried flowers. Keep it understated and sophisticated. Less is more in achieving that effortless, chic vibe. Step 3. Layer soft textures. Introduce a mix of natural textures to create warmth and depth. Use knitted throw blankets, boucle cushions, and woven rattan trays to complement the soft, inviting color scheme. Textured elements ensure your decor feels cozy yet refined. Step 4. Play with natural lighting is key in setting a serene ambience. Position your decor near large windows to take advantage of natural daylight. Enhance the glow with candles, warm-toned string lights, or glass lanterns for a dreamy evening setting. Step 5. Style your Easter table with elegance. A beautifully set table ties everything together. Use linen table runners, ceramic dinnerware, and dried floral arrangements in neutral tones. Add gold or brass cutlery for a refined, modern Easter touch. With these easy-to-follow steps, your home will be transformed into a cozy, sophisticated Easter retreat, perfect for hosting or simply enjoying the season in style. The right furniture plays a crucial role in setting the tone for a beige Easter interior. Rather than overwhelming your space with bold seasonal decor, let your furniture do the talking by selecting timeless pieces that exude warmth and comfort. Soft linen or upholstered seating in neutral tones is a great place to start. These pieces instantly make your home feel more relaxed, yet refined. If you already have a beige or cream-colored sofa, enhance it with cozy throw pillows in textured fabrics like boucle, linen, or woven cotton to add depth and a tactile dimension. A rustic or natural wood dining table also works beautifully in this aesthetic, serving as a grounding element that adds a warm, organic contrast to softer beige tones. Beyond selecting furniture, arranging it thoughtfully can enhance the ambience of your Easter celebration. Keep the seating layout open and inviting, encouraging conversation and togetherness. If you have a coffee table, style it with a simple beige linen runner, a ceramic vase filled with dried florals, and a few pillar candles in neutral hues. For an added touch of sophistication, incorporate accent pieces with brass or matte gold finishes, such as a chic side table or vintage-inspired candle holders. These subtle metallic touches elevate the look without straying from the soft, understated elegance of beige Easter decor. Your Easter table is the focal point of the celebration, a place where family and friends come together to share meals, laughter, and cherished moments. To achieve a refined beige Easter tablescape, start with a neutral-toned tablecloth or runner in soft linen or cotton. This creates a foundation that feels light and airy, perfect for layering other decor elements. Woven placemats or textured charges in natural materials like rattan or seagrass add warmth and depth, complementing the beige aesthetic beautifully. Instead of using overly colorful tableware, opt for classic white or subtly speckled ceramics that maintain an elegant, understated look while still feeling fresh and inviting. For the centerpiece, simplicity is key. A low arrangement of dried florals, white tulips, or delicate baby's breath in a stoneware or ceramic vase can add just the right amount of charm without overwhelming the table. If you prefer a more rustic feel, consider placing a few hand-painted Easter eggs in earthy tones inside a shallow wooden bowl as a natural and festive accent. To complete the look, Incorporate soft candlelight with beige or ivory taper candles in elegant holders. This not only enhances the cozy ambiance, but also adds a timeless touch that makes your Easter gathering feel truly special. Easter decor doesn't have to be bold or overpowering. Sometimes, the smallest details make the biggest impact. Thoughtful accents in soft beige tones, delicate pastels, and natural materials can bring warmth and charm to your home without overwhelming your existing style. One of the easiest ways to introduce Easter charm is through decorative accessories like hand-painted eggs in muted tones, ceramic bunny figurines, or woven baskets filled with dried florals. These small yet meaningful elements help tie the theme together while maintaining an elegant and understated aesthetic. Try incorporating seasonal motifs in subtle ways, perhaps through embroidered linen napkins, a neutral-toned wreath with dried flowers and twigs, or a decorative tray displaying vintage-inspired candle holders with soft, flickering light. To make these accents feel intentional rather than scattered, group them in small, curated vignettes throughout your space. Arrange a few speckled eggs and natural elements like moss or pampas grass in a glass cloche on your coffee table. On a console or side table, layer a few books in neutral shades and top them with a ceramic rabbit or a delicate floral arrangement in a stoneware vase. The key is balance. Let each piece complement the others without competing for attention. With these small but carefully chosen details, your Easter decor will feel effortlessly sophisticated and filled with warmth. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for a cozy and elegant Easter celebration, and nothing enhances a beige-toned space better than natural light. Soft, diffused sunlight filtering through sheer curtains creates an inviting, ethereal glow that perfectly complements the understated beauty of beige decor. To maximize natural light, swap out heavy drapes for lightweight, linen curtains in neutral tones, allowing sunlight to gently illuminate your space. Strategically placing mirrors near windows can also amplify brightness, reflecting light throughout the room and making it feel more open and airy. If your gathering is in the evening, opt for warm-toned LED candles, table lamps with linen shades, and fairy lights to maintain the soft, cozy atmosphere. Beyond lighting, textures play an equally important role in adding depth and interest to your decor. Layering different materials, like soft linen table runners, plush throw blankets, and rustic wooden trays, creates a space that feels both luxurious and inviting. Consider incorporating cozy elements such as boucle cushions, knitted poufs, or woven rattan accents to enhance the tactile experience. If you have a fireplace, arranging pillar candles in varying heights on the mantel adds a warm and welcoming touch. The goal is to create a space that feels harmonious and inviting, where every element works together to evoke a sense of calm and celebration. Creating your own Easter decor is a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your home while keeping things stylish and elegant. One of the simplest yet most impactful DIY projects is hand-painting Easter eggs in soft muted tones like taupe, ivory, or pale blush. Instead of traditional bright colors, use natural dyes made from coffee, tea, or red cabbage to achieve beautifully subtle hues. Once dried, display these eggs in a woven basket, a wooden bowl, or even strung together as a delicate garland for your fireplace mantle. For a more artistic touch, try using gold leaf or watercolor paint to add delicate patterns, giving your Easter decor a sophisticated, handcrafted look. Another effortless DIY project is creating a natural centerpiece using foraged elements. Gather twigs, dried flowers, and small branches, then arrange them in a neutral ceramic or glass vase. For a more structured look, use a floral foam base to secure the branches and add soft greenery like eucalyptus for an organic, effortless charm. If you want to elevate your dining experience, consider making personalized place cards by writing guests' names on small wooden slices or hand-painted eggs. These thoughtful handmade details not only add character to your space, but also make your Easter gathering feel even more special and memorable. As we wrap up this journey into beige Easter decor, remember that creating a warm and inviting space is all about embracing simplicity, texture, and thoughtful details. The beauty of a beige-inspired Easter theme lies in its ability to blend timeless elegance with cozy comfort, allowing your home to feel both festive and sophisticated. Whether it's through carefully chosen furniture, soft candlelit ambiance, or handcrafted seasonal accents, every element contributes to an atmosphere that celebrates renewal and togetherness. By layering natural textures, incorporating soft lighting, and thoughtfully styling your space, you can create an Easter setting that feels effortlessly charming and welcoming. We hope this video has inspired you to bring a touch of beige elegance into your home this Easter. Which decor idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear how you plan to style your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new home styling idea. From all of us at Home in Harmony, we wish you a joyful and beautifully decorated Easter.